So you've heard about crypto, you've heard about Solana, and now you've heard about Jupiter, where your first step is you need a wallet. So let's show you how to grab a wallet. Essentially, a wallet, such as Solflare, is what allows you to access your crypto tokens. The Solana blockchain is a little bit like a bank. A bank holds your money, or in this case, your tokens, and then your wallet is what allows you, like a bank account, to access your tokens. Either put tokens into it or send tokens out of it. So as we can see, there's all these different tokens in this particular wallet. You probably won't know what these are now, but you will in future tutorials. Go to jupe.ag, and then come up to the right-hand side, up the top, click Welcome to Solana. Click Get Started, click on Coinbase here. Now keep in mind that the Coinbase wallet works on numerous different blockchains, so it probably only makes sense to use it on Solana if you're also on another blockchain such as the Base network. If you just want to play on Solana, maybe Solflare, Phantom, or Backpack is a better wallet for you. But here we are. Let's click on Download Coinbase Wallet. We can download it for iOS or Android, so on your mobile phone, or for Chrome or Brave. It'll also work for Edge browser. You can use the same link here, but we're using Brave. We'll click on Brave. It has 1 million users, a 2.7 star rating out of 5, and over 700 ratings. Add to Brave. This is what it can do, which is pretty standard, and then add extension. Now it's been added. Let's go up here to the jigsaw piece, and then click Pin, and then click on the Coinbase wallet, and then we can go ahead and we can create a new wallet, or if we already have a secret recovery phrase, we can use this one here. I already have a wallet, but we'll go create new wallet, and our first step is we have to save this secret recovery phrase. Make sure you never share this with anybody. Never ever share it. I'm going to quickly show it to you. As you can see, I've blurred out some of the words deliberately. This is a tutorial secret recovery phrase, and it's never ever going to be used, but you must make sure that you never share it with someone, and you need to keep it safe. Some people like to store this in a secure password manager. Other people like to write it down and put it in a safe. But in general, don't take a photo of it on your phone, don't email it to yourself, and don't put it on a sticky note on your computer desk. Now let's go ahead and click. I understand that if I lose my recovery phrase, I'll lose all the crypto in my wallet. What this means, to make it very, very clear, nobody else will have a backup of this. The Coinbase wallet team will not be able to help you. They do not have access to your phrase. So click Continue. And now we have to select the first and 12th word. So blouse and body, and submit. Next, we have to add a password. I suggest using a secure password from a password manager. Agree to the terms and privacy policy, and submit. Now this next part does not relate to Solana, but if you want to, you can claim this for free. This will be a username. Continue. So as an example, jupiter.cb.id is not available, but Jupiter Tutorials is. Agree to the subdomain terms, and submit. You can click Add Profile Details, upload an image, do all that if you like, but we'll skip this, and now we're in our wallet. Now in the future, when we want to receive crypto, all we need to do is just click Receive, and then we can see your Solana address here. You can either copy the address here, or click on this button in order to generate a QR code, and you can scan this with your mobile phone. So that's how you create your own crypto wallet with the Coinbase wallet. That's all for this tutorial, and we've got other tutorials that show you how to send and receive into your wallet. Remember to keep that secret recovery phrase nice and safe. Make sure you've recorded it and triple checked it to make sure there's no spelling errors. And we'll catch you in the next video where we continue to teach you about Solana, crypto, and of course, Jupiter.